In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up meeting types, specifically 15, 30, and 60-minute meetings in Calendly. We'll walk through how to create a meeting type, adjust its duration, and then save it, so you can quickly replicate the process for each length you need. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create separate links for short, standard, and longer meetings. First, open your Calendly account in your browser and go to your main dashboard. At the top or side menu, look for the option labeled Scheduling and click on it. This is where Calendly keeps all your meeting or event types. If you already have some set up, you'll see them listed here. If not, this page might look a bit empty, and that's totally fine. Next, we're going to create a new meeting type. On this scheduling page, find the button that says Create and click it. This is usually a primary button, so it should stand out visually. When you click Create, Calendly will ask you what kind of event type you want to set up. Choose the standard one-on-one or solo event option depending on what you see. This ensures that it's a simple meeting between you and one invitee, which is typically what you want for 15, 30, or 60-minute calls. After you select the event type, you will be taken into the event editor. Here, you can set things like the name of the meeting, the location, and most importantly for this video, the duration. Look for the section labeled Duration and click on it. This opens up the settings where you can control how long the meeting will last. In the duration options, choose the length you want for this particular meeting type, such as 15 minutes. You can either select a preset if Calendly offers it, or type in a custom duration. This is where you'll set up one meeting as 15 minutes, and then later you can repeat these same steps for 30 and 60 minutes. Once you've selected the duration you want, scroll down and click on Create or Save at the bottom of the page. That final click confirms your settings